Hello guys, today we are going to learn Navrai Machi, which I did in my last video. Okay, so first you start by sitting on the ground. You can keep either your right or left leg like this. Now I have chosen to keep my right as it is a leg that I am used to getting up quickly with. Okay, you can, depending on what ease you have, you can keep that. If you have a skirt or a lehenga, which I would prefer that you wear for this dance, you keep it a little, round, showing. Don't keep it gathered when you're sitting like this. Okay. Now the first stanza is Navrai Machi. So, my new bride. Okay. So you do. Now this song is very fast, so you can start directly from here, but I would suggest you do my new bride is loved. So you do 1, 2, keep it here, 2 and 3 as if you are removing a veil. Then from here you take it like this, well loved, the other heart with a slight heartbeat. Okay, loved. She loves the moon. So you do Navrai Maji. Then you do from here La Raji Jiko. Then you do Avra Hilal. Avra Hilal Chandrachi Ko. Alright. Then again repeat, my new bride is a gift from God. So is a gift from God. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3. So from here you take this mudra, 2-finger mudra, and go out. Gift from God. Alright. Then she is she is beautiful as the nymph of Indra. That's what it means, the other line. So how do you do it? That she is beautiful, talking about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then get up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so how did we go? From here, she. So if you're saying nymph of Indra, you're saying that she's very beautiful. So I chose to show it very simply like this. Okay, so this and like this. Then take a round with your upper body and your hands. So 1 and get up, 2 and 3. Alright, then after you come back here, there's a music in which you start by 1, 2, 3. Now from here I take my hands, my step is like this, my left foot is a little ahead, my right foot is behind it, not completely straight but a little sideways. Okay, now from here you place both your hands outside this way. Okay, and then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple, it's dipping step like I had also taught you in my other videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With the little, taking your waist a little side by side, lachak. So you do 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you do 1, 2, 3, 4 and go to the back. Now the music continues, but there is a faster beat to it. If you see, go back to my dance, you will see. So when you are here, you face back, then you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See, your hands are nothing, just plain. Okay, I'm just doing 2. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Once you finish 8, these are in double beats. Then from here you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 times as well. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, I chose to do 1 this and then 2 more of this, because there are 3 counts, there are not 4 continuous counts. So it was looked very odd if I did half of this and then stopped. So I did, after this I did 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you don't have time or you can't get the beat right, you can continue 2 more times of this hand. Alright, now from here again the entire first line is repeated. Navrai Machi, Lara Jiraji. Go. So here I just did not go into so many intricate moves like we did in sitting down, because I've tried to keep this easy. So here you do Navrai Machi. So you can do this only. Navrai Machi Lara Ji Go Vada Hila Chandrachi Go. She loves the moon. 2, 3. Same dipping step. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So from here you do again Navrai Machi. Now Sachi Go. Apsara Hilal. Indrachi Go. So in this I prefer to do it on my other hand. So you again repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a single hand, 7, 8, continuing with this dipping, okay, and then 1, 2, same step as the previous one, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Apsara, like in the Indra's court. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here when you end, your same left leg is a little ahead and right back. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here nothing, 1 and 2. Your hands are doing like this, and you are slightly bent on the side that is taking the round. So don't be straight, it looks very strange. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. After you come back here, it is Avrai chali sharmati ghabrati wo. So you do Avrai chali sharmati ghabrati wo. So nothing. Sharmati. You can also do this, but I did this. Sharmati ghabrati wo. पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो. Okay, so how is this? 1, 2. If you can't do this, you can skip it because it's very fast. So from here you first start like this, अवराई चली, she went, so अवराई चली, शर्माती घबराती वो, पिया के घर, इठलाती. See how the step is? Step, step, step. Okay. And how is the hand? Hand goes opposite. So 1, 2, 3. So पिया के घर, इठलाती बल खाती हो. Alright. Then सुरमाई नैना. So 1, 2. छलकाती छलकाती वो. So if you sprinkle water or the water gets displaced, so 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, just step 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 step. 2, so 2. See how my waist is on one side like this, and you do. Yeah, all this dance is about small little expressions. So even if you don't remember the steps, you forget the steps, just remember the nakras, it will be fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chalkati wo. Alright, you finish here. Chalkati wo. Then you take a round. पिया के घर, भरमाती. Just pull your skirt like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Then from here you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I did this step only. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After doing it twice, 2 counts, you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So how's the step? From here you end here, you turn and go up, clap. See, my left foot is back and right foot is ahead. So clap and 2. Keep it like this. It looks nice. If you just leave it loose, it looks very strange. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now from here, I chose to just take a couple of rounds. So you go up and you do. If you have a skirt, this step will look very nice. If you have a lehenga, flowing gown, even a gown would look very nice. So just go round, 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 round. Now when you're taking a round, be very careful about spotting ahead. If you think of coming back to the front, then your head will not spin. But if you just take a round looking all over the place and not thinking about spotting, then you can't, then you'll feel kind of dizzy. So you have to think you are going to come back here. So when you're taking a round, look again, look again, look again. Now I'm going to take it faster. I'm not going to look specifically, but this is to teach you how to look. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now also you probably feel a little dizzy, but you won't like. Okay, alright.